God will go judge you one day. God will go judge you one day. God will go judge you one day. This man, God will go judge you one day.
Hey, hello. How are you, my daughter?
We are fine, thank you.
You are fine.
Yes.
What about your mommy?
She traveled.
She traveled.
Yes.
I missed that one. Okay, I will come back. Where is it?
Bishop, wait. Our mother dropped food for you. So anytime you come nearby, she give you.
Hey, food. I beg. Which one is bringing the food? Before I don't really want to eat, but since he said your mother, so fast. Rice. Jesus. I hope you people have eaten.
Yes.
I don't like eating too much, but this one, let me try if I can finish it.
Okay.
Hey, I come around with my spoon. Your mother is a nice woman.
Okay.
She likes preparing fine food.
Wow.
Do you hear?
No, we have eaten. We are okay.
See, if your mother come back,
Bishop.
hey,
Today you came to our house.
wonderful woman. I came to visit your mother. They say your mother in travel.
Yeah, she traveled.
And they give food for me. I know say I will come. That woman, a better
My
woman.
mother keep food for you when? My mother that traveled over 4 months now.
4 months. But they tell me say your mother just traveled.
Wait. Now dog food with this.
Yes. We gave him dog food because anytime he comes to our house, he's to give him food. That's why we gave him dog food.
Wait. You, Mona, and is there anything in that food?
Yes.
Dog food?
Yes.
You where they chop am, you no see bone wey full inside am. You no see bone. No dey tap for my feelings.
I will go with my spoon. But how would I go take prosper? Can never prosper.
Na you wey no go prosper now. Come. Stand up abeg.
How go
Dey go your house.
See as they short, small.
You na you wait how you take it.
Can you
Dey go. Longer throw too. Dey go.